Hello Vivekians, I hope you all are doing well. So today again I'm Sunana, your SST teacher is here to teach you SST from your book Awareness Social Sciences by Suman Gupta. Today we are going to start with the second chapter of civics, that is diversity and discrimination. These are the first 4 pages of the chapter that we will cover today, in which I will explain you what is diversity, prejudice and stereotype. And all the in-between question answers of these 4 pages will be provided to you on the school website. So let's start with diversity. Students, diversity in simple words means difference or variety of something. चाहे वो difference religion का हो, language का हो, culture का हो. If we talk about religion, then there are 8 major religions in the world, जो कि सारे हमारे country में follow किए जाते हैं. And India has more than 1600 languages, out of which English and Hindi are the official languages. So just because of this diversity, India is a unique country all over the world. People here are from different cultures, states, religion, but still we all are living as one. और हम सब unity in diversity को follow कर रहे हैं. This picture shows that each one of us brings something unique and special to our country's unique system. That is why diversity is very important, and this is the strength of our country. Though we say that there is unity in diversity, but बहुत बार we are not able to accept people from different religion, caste, culture, etc. On the basis of which हम उनके साथ भेदभाव करने लग जाते हैं. हम उनके लिए अपने मन में inferiority वाली इमेज बना लेते हैं, और ऐसा करने से हम प्रेजुडाइज्ड बन जाते हैं. So the word prejudice comes from the pre and judge, making a judgment before knowing any detail about the person or thing. Prejudice is when we form inferior opinion about someone without even thinking कि हमारा opinion उनके लिए सही है या नहीं. Example: if any boy cries, we often say to him that don't cry like a girl, कि रोती तो girls हैं because वो weak होती हैं, और boys are supposed to be strong. And that one more example: if someone don't know English, we assume that person is stupid because हमने एक ऐसा ओपिनियन बना लिया है कि all people who know English are smart, and if somebody don't know English, then he must be stupid. There are some other prejudices that people carry about so many things like clothes, culture, religion, etc. If we talk about कलर में black है, तो यूजुअली हम ये सोच लेते हैं कि मे बी ये किसी पुअर फैमिली से बिलोंग करता है और मे बी ये क्वालिफाइड नहीं है इतना. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट प्रेजुडाइज. बट बिकॉज ऑफ प्रेजुडाइज हमारे मन में कुछ लोगों के ग्रुप को लेकर ओपिनियन बन जाते हैं. हम ये मान लेते हैं कि अगर ये ऐसा है तो इसका ग्रुप भी ऐसा होगा. एंड व्हेन वी कंसिडर एवरी पर्सन ऑफ द ग्रुप टू बी लाइक दैट, वी कॉल दैट स्टीरियोटाइपिंग. सो स्टीरियोटाइपिंग इज़ अनफेयर. जस्ट बिकॉज किसी ग्रुप के कुछ लोग गलत हैं तो इट डजंट मीन दैट एवरी वन विल बी द सेम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर इंडियंस, सो वी नो इंडियंस कैसे होते हैं और हाउ इंडियंस लिव. But people in USA and Europe have certain stereotyped ideas about Indians. They have stereotype as Indians have dark skin, Indians live in huge joint families, all Indians speak Hindi, which is not true. In India, we have both fair and dark skinned people. We live in both joint and nuclear families. We speak both English and Hindi as well. So stereotype is not always a negative opinion. For example, girls dance well. It is a positive opinion. All doctors are rich is a positive opinion. So here is the difference between stereotype and prejudice. Prejudice is a prior judgment about a single person, but on the other hand, stereotype is a belief about a group of people or a category of people. And the second difference, which is most important, is that prejudice is always negative, but as we have seen that stereotype can be negative and positive. Guys, this is all for today. So these are the topics that we will cover tomorrow, that What is discrimination, gender inequality, and economic inequality?